What are you doing? Are you brushing your teeth? Oh, good spit. Good spit. Oh, good done the one. That's good. Okay. Nope, nope, nope. That's dirty on the bottom. Just the water, okay? No, not there either. Just in the water. Good job. Oh, good job, Mac. What a good brusher. Are you all done? Are you all done? Oh, wait. Tell me, are you all done? Mac, all done? Good job. Wow. Are you all done? Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh, you're okay. Everything's okay. Hey! Hey! Don't fall off the stool, buddy. Okay. You want some toothpaste? Here. Want some toothpaste? Ready? Here you go. Want some? There you go. Okay. Good job. Oh, you want some more? Ready? Okay, good job. Good job. Okay, now spit. Spit. Good job. Excellent, excellent job. Brushing your teeth. Oh, don't get it. Okay, good job. Sorry, you're okay. You all done? Yeah, you've been brushing teeth for a long time. You should probably done now. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Good job, Max. Okay, let's turn off the water now, okay? Love you, buddy. Oh! Yeah, that's what Daddy does, isn't it? Excellent. Excellent job. Here, you want to brush too? There you go. Oh, so pretty, buddy. Oh, that's pretty gross. Alright. Oh, what an excellent job. Your hair looks wonderful. Yeah, it looks just wonderful. I love you, love bug. Mwah. You can brush your hair? Yeah, brush your hair some. It's pretty. Make it look pretty. Here, spit some more, Max. Spit some more. Oh, okay. There you go. Ready? There you go. Ooh, there you go. Are you going to do a spit again? Spit out. Spit. I don't want to brush toothpaste. Good job, Mac. What a good boy. You're so smart. Yeah, you are. It's unbelievable, almost. What's that? Uh-oh. Got it. There you go. I love you, love bug. Okay. I love you. Tell me love me. Love you. Love you. I do. Love you, bunny.